So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are solving a LeetCode problem number 268, missing number. This is the one of the most popular XOR problem for beginner and interview preparation. So let's get started. So we are given an array containing number from 0 to n, but one number is missing. Our task is to find the missing number. Suppose as the example is given, input num is equals to 3, 0, 1. The output is equals to 2. Since n is equals to 3, there are three numbers. So all the numbers are in the range of 0 and 3. So the plain number we are getting is 0, 1, 2, 3. So the output is 2 because of it 2 is missing. So the main trick is for the XORs. For the XOR. This means equal number cancel each other. If XOR are indicators and all elements array, every number get cancelled except the missing one. So by moving the code, I will show how. For int of I equals to 0, I is nums dot size I plus plus answer numbers of I, then returns answer. So this was the basic code for this problem. First, we start with the n. Now traveling through all the array for every index, we use XOR, current index and the current element. All matching numbers cancel each other. At the end, only the missing number will remain. While the input is 3, 0 and 1. Initially, the answer will be plain in 3, but while checking 3 XOR 0 or 3 XOR 3, we are getting only 2 answers. So the time complexity and place complexity, I will define like time complexity is equals to O into n and place complexity is O into 1. The time complexity is O into n because we are traveling the array once. And the place complexity is O into 1 because no extra space is used. So that was the solution for LeetCode 268. Missing number, the very most XOR problem that every beginner should know.